Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a bonus to the vlogmas videos that I already have because I brought you today the unboxing of the Daily Goodie box. Daily Goodie box is a free subscription box, kinda. You have to go and review your products and see if you qualify for a new box, which is completely free, has full size. Most of them are full size sample products that you can test for absolutely zero money. They have sent me the box for the month of December in return of my honest opinion and my unboxing for this product. And my hair is crazy. Like always, when can it not be crazy? It's fluffy. So today I have the box for December, like I told you, right about here. Daily Goodie box. Down in the description box you will find the link to where you can go ahead and sign up for an account and see if you qualify for the next month's sample box, the free sample box that you can get. So that would be probably for January or for the February if you are qualified, if you do meet the qualifications, which is like just simply do the reviews for the products and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and get started and opening the December box. Also down in the description box will be a list of the products that this box had and links to where you can go and buy them yourself if you are interested. Woo! There it is. The usual little got a goodie box note right about here. And then let's go ahead. I like to just like go in there. Oh, this box feels really full. I'm trying to like pick in there. Let's see. Let's see at the very top. Look at this. We got the Frey Chocolat Susie Swiss Premium Dark Crunchy Nut Bar. It's dark chocolate with hazelnut, so like your Ferrero Rocher kind of thing in a bar. It's a huge little humongous thing like on my face. Look at that. Hopefully my screen is not so yellow. My lights are super yellow. I don't know why that is happening, but I'm gonna open this one up just a bit so there's like a kind of like a glare. There's that one. So I'm gonna give it a try later. I'm gonna go ahead and picking again. Let's get out this drink. This is a zero sugar Spring's Mile More, a CBD-Infused sparkling lemon tea. Lemon tea, it's a huge, like a whole can of it. Lemon tea, I wouldn't say I don't like it. I just haven't tasted lemon tea. It's a full size that you can really test. Let's see the next thing here. I got the Grandpa Soap Co. I think I have tested this item before. The Grandpa Soap Co. Thylox Acne Treatment. Oh, okay. Face and body bar soap. Hard-working, simple, pure ingredients are the heart of your natural soap making tradition, from our family to yours. So we got a full bar right here of Thylox, Grandpa Soap Company since 1878. I'm gonna open it just a tiny bit. It just smells like medicinal soap, kind of like rosemary. I don't know. It smells nice. It says for acne treatment though, so I don't suffer a lot from acne, but it's nice to have. The next thing here that I got is a raw energy bar, peanut butter from KiZE. 4 ingredients, gluten-free, protein, no GMO, change lives. Each bar helps those in need. It says fueling your best with simple, clean, and enjoyable energy. It's a peanut butter bar for energy. The next thing here is, actually there's 2 things of the same company. Alcala Deodorizing body wipes, and there's 2 of them. And this is enriched with aloe, chamomile, green tea, and tea tree oil. Viscose made from 100% pure bamboo, no parabens and no alcohol. And they're 2 deodorizing body wipes. I get no like sent through the little things, but that's interesting to have. The next thing here is this tiny little organic Ocho or Oco coconut. Oh, look at this tiny little thing. I think I've seen these, if I'm not mistaken, over in Costco. Let's open it. It's a little chocolate thing. Look at that. This reminds me of this Mexican chocolate thing. It's a chocolate with coconut inside. I'm sorry. The next thing here is vitamin B. This is the second time. Vitamin D3. This is the second time I get a supplement. Not a supplement. A full-size vitamin container. This is hyaluronic acid plus vitamin D3, vitamin H, vitamin D3 gummies. Supports healthy mood and immune system. This is a mixed berry flavors. And they're like teddy bears. The other ones, I believe they were vitamin C. These ones are D3. Very helpful. I think my husband is deficient in this. So there we have. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, this is actually the second one. I actually requested a free one and I already have one. So I think this is the second one I actually have now. I haven't tested because I was trying to make a video out of it on the other time. Because this is the original makeup eraser sample. This is the sample, I believe. I'm not sure if the other one's a sample too, but I will check. The makeup eraser and mermaids. Both are magical and only require water. Number 1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. I'm gonna open this one since I have two so you guys could see it. It's just a little this is to you love makeup eraser. It's just a little literally a little sample of the makeup cloth. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. It's just really soft from here and fluffy from the other side. So there's that with that one. Really nice. The next things are just little things like this. It's a party detox support. This is a herbal sap ancient wisdom that's too good to go. It's just a little instant dissolving herbal supplement in here. And the other ones are little clips and little infomercial kind of situations for the cocoa chocolate and all that stuff. And yeah, that is all that we got on December's box. I definitely like the makeup eraser. It's good to have another one. The chocolate was delicious. It's nice to have a deodorizing body wipe. That's nice. This one's come in handy for my husband's lunch. This one would be as well. I like the vitamins. But what I'm mostly excited about and I'm going to keep to eat later because I'm going to go eat is the dark crunchy nut bar. Even though it's dark chocolate, I don't like dark chocolate as much, but it has hazelnut, so that makes it extra better. So I think this is my favorite for today. But other than that, that is all the Daily Goodie box had for me today. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Comment down below what was your favorite item. If you have tried the original makeup eraser sample. And yeah, hopefully you guys have an amazing day today. Happy Vlogmas, and happy holidays. And I'll catch you later on another video. Goodbye.